So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a brand new way to make money from affiliate marketing. Now, I've never talked about this method before. It's completely new. And if used correctly, there's a lot of potential there to make a ton of money. So make sure you follow the instructions in this video very, very carefully. And also, I want to add that this method is going to be applicable to a wide range of different niches. All right, so let's begin. So you guys know Canva, right? If you Google for Canva, it says collaborate and create amazing graphic designs for free. I can open this up and actually use this myself to create my own design. So if I go to recent designs, I have various designs that I use for different projects. And this is just the beginning. This is just one of my other accounts. I used Canva for a lot of things. Now, what's interesting about Canva is they have a lot of templates, right? So if you go here, they have templates for social media, for personal, for business, for marketing, education, trending. And right when you see that, and this is what I noticed, is that this is what I've been asking myself, is when I saw this the first time, the thoughts that I have is who is the perfect market for these templates, right? So we have social media. This is for social media people. For personal, okay, for regular people, for maybe for you and me. For business, now we're getting interesting. Marketing, even more interesting. Education, awesome. Trending, okay, trending is trending. What I'm focusing on is these three areas, or even these two areas right smack in the middle. So we have business and we have marketing. Now, if you go in here and you click on presentations, it's going to load up these templates here for you, right? Take a look at this. Look at that. And I can pick one of these templates. So some of them are paid, okay? Some of them are pro, so I need a pro account. I'm using a free account right now, so I cannot really work with these images, but there's tons of free ones, right? So for instance, I don't know, how about, what's something professional? All right, this is paid. All right, how about this one with the dog? So if I open this up, it says here, this is what I get. And these are presentational templates. I need to make a presentation. Obviously, I want something more serious maybe. So this is paid. So how about this one? This is a little bit more serious probably. And it has different types of slides here. This is actually really cool. So I can say customize this template. It's going to open up in a brand new window and I can customize it. Now what's interesting about it is that there's a lot of stuff here, right? There's a lot of different pages. I can customize it. And naturally, let's say I really like this template and let's say I am I want to change something around it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change maybe this color to this. And maybe, just maybe, I want to sell this template. Okay, now we're not going to be talking about selling Canva templates. I'm going to show you something even better. Now, let's say I'm modifying this template. And then when I'm done, I can share it with a person here. I can share it with a user. And they pay me and I share with them. And that's how they get this template, right? All of these things. Now, another thing that we can do is we can go into File. We can go into create a design right here, and I can say I want a poster or something like that. I can, use this angle, and then I have a lot of different templates. Same thing, right? Take a look at this one. Missing. We have back in business. I can do that, and this is kind of simpler templates here, right? We only have one slide here, one frame there, and I can modify it, and I can share it with other people, right? I can do that. There's insights. How many views I'm getting, unique views, all of these things. And the idea here is that you're going to go out, you're going to take some of these templates. Let's say you want to take maybe 5, 10 templates. And what you're going to do is you're going to change them around. You're going to put your own spin on them, right? And you're going to give them out for free, okay? So what you're going to do, guys, right? You're going to go out. Actually, from the homepage, it's a lot better, right? So if you go in here and right on the homepage, and you can pick, let's say, websites. Templates for websites. You can modify it. Now, the idea here is you want to create somewhere around 5 to 10 templates. I would recommend 10 templates. So you have to pick a niche. Is this going to be a business niche? Is this going to be marketing niche? Is this going to be education? Is this going to be weight loss, make money online? All the niches that we have in affiliate marketing. And you want to go out and you want to create 5 to 10 templates. Now, you can do it yourself. You can go on Fiverr and just type something like this, Canva templates, right? And they will design $15 you can have, and you can even strike a deal. You can say, well, I have, can you create 10 templates for me in this specific niche? And I will pay you this amount or something like this. So you can take a look at these Fiverr gigs. It's really up to you. I think it's relatively easy to do it yourself. Honestly, I don't think it's that complicated, right? You can kind of look around the different websites. You can get inspiration from these templates. And once you have 10 templates, you want to go out and you want to give them away for free. But we're not going to be giving just the templates for free. We're going to be giving templates away for free. But they're going to give you their email address. And along with the email address, you can send them something extra. So what's that something extra is going to be? Well, you're going to send them something that looks like this. We are here in Google Docs. And what I did is I went ahead and I Googled for best affiliate programs to make money. And now there's a lot of links. I found this link here. This is from the Millennial Money, 101 awesome affiliate programs to make money in 2021. And what's interesting about this list is that they have different categories, right? So you have best affiliate marketing networks, web services, investing, travel booking, social media management. So if you are giving away templates in the social media niche, you're going to go in here and you have templates. 20% recurring, 5%, 30%. And you know something? I don't even know many of these services. I know Hootsuite. That's it. I don't know these other ones. So this could be super useful for somebody in the social media niche. Remember, if you go to templates here and you go to templates social media niche, right? They're in the social media niche. They're posting stuff for businesses or for themselves. And they're going to be super interested in affiliate offers in the social media management. Now, personally, in my example, I'm using affiliate programs for web services, okay? So this document here, this is mostly targeted for new businesses, okay? Which is a niche that you can pick. So if you go to templates here, you have business. You have business templates. You have marketing templates. All of this could be geared for new businesses. They need templates. Maybe they're doing social media outreach. Maybe they're doing email outreach. Maybe they're creating ads, right? Maybe they're creating logos, right? These are fresh businesses and they need these templates, and we can sell them more stuff. We can sell them, hey, you know, it looks like you're in a new business. You're just starting out. Well, what about some services? What about, signing up for hosting service, right? Bluehost or Nestify or Pure VPN. You need a VPN provider, right? This is just another angle that you can exploit. Now remember, guys, this does not have to be this specific niche. It could be just about any other niche out there. You can go to templates and you can look at templates, social media. It could be personal. It could be business, marketing, education. It could be Forex. It could be, make money online. It could be weight loss. It could be fitness, right? You can just you can just search for fitness and you're going to find fitness templates. Look at that. You can search for weight loss and you can find weight loss templates. And in many cases, you don't even need to go out and create your own templates. You can even use the templates they have there. You can just share them with the business, find some free templates, share them with the business, and then along with that, give them a welcome kit. Give them a welcome kit. One of the secrets with affiliate marketing is that you never want to make it seem like you're trying to sell something. Okay? If you are perceived as someone who is trying to sell something, people are going to be wary of you. They're going to have their guard up. But if you say, hey, I wanted to give you a free welcome kit along with these free templates, take a look. Maybe you'll find something useful here. They're going to be less alert. They're going to be less likely to be alerted. So there's lots and lots of things that you can do. It's really an unlimited method, okay? And I'm going to be showing you some of the other ideas in some of the future videos. I have a lot of fresh ideas that I want to show to you guys. So if you want to see fresh ideas with free traffic, with free tools, all you have to do is spend a little bit of time out of your day to do it. Give this video a fat thumbs up, like this video, leave a comment below to let me know what you think about this method. Let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help you out. And subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any future episodes.